Welcome to our truck part. The first step is to prepare the gas source. Then connect the seat trachea to the air source. Power on the air source. And then when it's doing that, that means everything is normal. Then after click on auto, the seat is gonna lift and drop. After pull it to top, we click exit. If the seat doesn't lift and drop, then we need to disassemble. The method of disassembling the seat cushion is pull it to the top. We can use some tools. For example, this kind of tool. Pull it into this. Sew it at first up and work. Then the seat has two places to make the connection. Here they are. Let's turn this one to the back. Unzip. In this location. Here we go. And then we take it off. Check everything is okay. Check the connections. Is this connector loose and falling? Then listen for any air leaks if there is any sound of air leakage. And this one is to locate the seat. Thank you for watching, and this is all for our truck seat.